Hello everyone. In today's we are going to discuss an important element of every house, like villas, farmhouse and commercial property, the boundary wall design. A boundary wall is not just structure that makes of limits of your property. It provides structure and privacy and aesthetic appeal and noise reduction and increase the overall value of your property. And whatever you are building or new home or renovating exciting ones, choosing the right boundary wall design can completely transform the exterior experience of your property. So, in today's video, I will explore the importance of boundary walls and their advantages and popular types and latest design ideas and materials we can use and approximate prices. So, a boundary wall is act at the first line of protection of your property. It's create clear and separation between your private space and public areas. A well-designed boundary wall also improve curb appeal and give visitors a positive first impression of your house. The modern homeowners are now focusing on stylish boundary wall designs that combination security and aesthetic. And now we know advantages of boundary wall design. It's enhanced the security. The biggest advantages of boundary wall is the security. It's prevent unauthorized access and protection your family members like children's pets and belongings. The higher walls with grills and spikes for security long lighting provide additional of protection. And another one more is better privacy. Boundary walls create private environment by blocking outside views. This is especially useful in crowded urban areas where homes are located close together and improve the property value. A stylish and durable boundary wall increases the resale value of your property. Buyers often to the prefer home with strong and secure features and attractive exteriors and attractive appearance. Modern boundary wall designs enhance the overall beauty of your space. They create luxurious and premium look from the outside. And noise reduction. Solid and masonry walls help to reduce traffic noise and external disturbances. This creates peaceful living environment. A secure boundary wall keeps children and pets safely inside the property. Boundary walls help to block the dust, debris and strong winds especially in open areas. And boundary walls clearly marks the property boundary away to the future disputes. And now we know popular types of boundary wall designs. A plain concrete boundary wall. This is one of the most affordable and durable option. This features like strong structure, low maintenance and long life. The prices is 180 rupees per square feet. The brick masonry boundary wall. It's a traditional and widely used in India. The features like excellent strength, easy customization and cost effective. The price will be 250 rupees per square feet. Stone cladding boundary wall. It's provide luxurious and natural appearance. The features like premium look, high durability and weather resistant. The price will be 500 rupees per square feet. RCC pre-cast boundary wall. Factory made panels installed quickly on the site. The features like fast installation, labor cost, and durable. The price will be 150 rupees per square foot. Metal and grill boundary wall. This combination of masonry and decorative metal grills. The features like modern appearance, better visibility, and good ventilation. The price is the 400 rupees per square foot. Glass boundary wall, popular in luxury villas and commercial buildings. The features an elegant design, contemporary look, and premium finish. The price will be 150 1500 rupees per square feet. Wooden finished boundary wall. It's provide warm and natural appearance. The features like stylish look suitable for modern homes and decorative appeal. The price will be 800 rupees per square foot. Decorative laser cut panels wall. Modern and architectural solution. The features like unique patterns, premium appearance and excellent aesthetic. The price will be 1200 rupees per square foot. Latest boundary wall design trends like stone and texture finish walls, LED lighting integrated walls, vertical garden boundary walls, wooden texture concrete panels, modern geometric patterns, CNC laser cut decorative these screens also now trending, and minimalistic contemporary designs, glass and